Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tuna noodles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of wide egg noodles, 2 cans of 5-ounce tuna, and a creamy sauce base, often made with milk and cheese. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This classic comfort food is simple to prepare and always a crowd pleaser. Next, we'll cook the noodles and prepare our creamy sauce. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and add about 8 ounces of wide egg noodles, cooking them until they are tender but still firm. While the noodles cook, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a separate pan over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of flour, then gradually add 2 cups of milk, stirring until the sauce thickens. Now it's time to bring everything together. Drain your 2 cans of tuna and flake it into a large bowl. Add the cooked egg noodles and the creamy sauce you just prepared. Stir everything gently to combine, ensuring the tuna and noodles are evenly coated. Then, transfer this delicious mixture into a 1 1/2 quart baking dish, spreading it out evenly for consistent baking. Finally, we'll bake our tuna noodle casserole to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the casserole for about 20 minutes, or until it's bubbly and lightly browned on top. Once out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes before serving to allow the sauce to set. This ensures every spoonful is perfectly creamy and delicious. For an amazing upgrade to your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.